Hey, it's Deepam from Write Your Way In. And I've been thinking about what Anais Nin once said about writing. And she said that we don't love to write, we love to have written. And in the beginning days when I was full on jumping into my writing, I didn't really feel that way. I felt more excited and hopeful. And apparently that changes the more you know, or at least in my case, the more I know, the more I approach my writing with a little bit of dread. So prompts are there to help you get by those kind of blocks, those blocks that tell you you're not good enough, who wants to hear this, it's been written before, any of those chorus of monkeys in your head. So the prompts launch that process. So before your monkey mind or your critic mind steps in and tells you it's no good, you just start writing and see what happens. So I just have a little snippet today to start you off. Write about someone keeping their temper in check. So that restraint. And as always, you can begin with sensory details, as Mary Carr calls them, carnal details. So whether that's dialogue, or which is sound, or the physical sensations of the character that you're writing about, or even their observation of the world around them as they hold their temper in check. So that's my invitation today. Happy writing.